To all Muslims in Britain and around the world, I wish you a blessed Eid al-Adha. I know this festival means a great deal to communities, a time when families and friends are brought together to pray and feast, and Muslims across different continents are brought together in faith. And as you share in that spirit of togetherness, I think proudly of the many ways people in this country connect with each other and enrich our nation's life. I see this in politics, where British Muslims are making a real difference, in enterprise and the running of multi-million-pound businesses, and in the courage and dedication of those who safeguard our streets and serve in our armed forces. I see this in the charity and compassion of our Muslim communities, whose members give so generously to those less fortunate. And I also see this in the way people are brought together with those around the world through the strong bonds of shared history, family relationships, and concern for those suffering and in pain. I think particularly of the ongoing conflict in Syria and Iraq. Our more than £2 billion contribution, our largest ever response to a single humanitarian crisis, is helping people caught up in that appalling conflict, and I am pleased that we will be continuing to provide support to those in need. As Prime Minister, I want to see our communities go from strength to strength, bringing people together and ensuring that everyone is able to make the most of the opportunities Britain has to offer, no matter what their background and no matter where they are from, is central to my government's mission. As I said when I stood on the steps of Downing Street, I want to make this a country that works for everyone. I am proud of the contribution British Muslims make to this country, and proud that Britain is home to people from vibrant and diverse backgrounds. So to all Muslims in this country and around the world, I want to say Eid Mubarak. I wish you a happy and peaceful Eid.